going to show you or introduce you to the Flora Faunifollets. And this is my boy Tobes. My boy Tobes has a really interesting history. He was dropped off at my sister's farm, and her neighbors actually, but just up the driveway from her. And his first name was Bob, but we renamed him Toby, but his name is Toby Bob, basically. And yes, he was born in the United States about 16 years ago, and he has traveled over with me to Germany and on a plane, and then he traveled on a ferry to the UK. He used to be a 26-pounder, and now he's about down to 15 pounds, so we're quite pleased about that. And he's just the best kitten in the whole entire world. He's my go-to guy whenever, and he is not a fan of the garden. He spent the first half of his life only being indoors, but he has ventured out into the garden. You can see him in some of my videos, and he's just absolutely great. He's got a great personality when it comes to people. Not such a great personality when it comes to other cats. So he gets a little bit irritated with the little girls that I have with me, and kind of not so happy with them all the time. He just thinks they're just annoying sometimes. But he's great. He's a great guy, and I hope you'll see more of him out in the garden with me this summer. And yeah, so I just wanted to let you know who he is and where he's come from. He's the cat of international mystery, I always tell him. He's just my love. Aren't you? You're a good boy. He's never caught anything in his life. Not even a bug. He makes friends with lizards and frogs, and he just kind of watches them and touches his nose with them. So he's good for wildlife around here. Great. You have a lovely evening or day, and thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah.